Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, we're talking about the Fuse Network blockchain ecosystem for the Web3 payments and its let's say its products. Okay, so we'll be talking about the Fuse ecosystem and its product. So Fuse is actually a blockchain ecosystem for Web3 payments. So, as we all know, Web3 has become a catch-all term, for the vision of new, better internet. So everyone uses Web3. So Web3 is something very great in the space right now. Okay, so Web3 uses blockchains like cryptocurrencies and NFT to give power back to users in form of like let's say ownership. Okay, so Web3 payments are decentralized, like we can call it a decentralized finance that use secure ledgers for to process money transfers and also seek let's say to fight the those scrutiny or of large financial institutions such as maybe banks which often demand for fees and data. Banks demands for fees and data submission in exchange for their services, the services they provide. Okay, so we'll be talking about the Web3 payment. Okay, so the Web3 payment, as we said earlier, the higher barrier of entry for business accessing digital payments is restricting global trade and innovation. However, companies can now provide payment services for their customers and enable the exchange of goods and services using blockchain. Okay, so you can now make use of Web3 for payment instead of using our normal payment services such as banks and other services. So now Web3 payment it's more easier for projects or let's say for companies to make exchanges, like to make payments in the Web3 space. Okay, so there are hundreds of apps and services in the Fuse ecosystem. So Fuse provides many apps, like it has many services that it provides for its community, and business focused Web3 payment solution with more than 100 million transactions completed. So there are so many transactions that has been completed or that has been executed on Fuse blockchain on the let's say on the services Fuse provide. Fuse provides over hundreds of apps. You know, so most consumers, will not use blockchain for payment directly as crypto natives do now. So most of them want to use blockchain payments directly, so they'll make use of Web3 payments. So instead, business we build an application to make the experience of Web3 payments and their financial transaction close to what users are used to. This can also run on different blockchain, but will not for but the Fuse does not force users to handle private keys or let's say pay transaction fees. Unlike bank transfers, we pay fees. We pay fees for our bank transfers and other payment stocks. But in Web3 payments, which Fuse provided, there's no need to provide any private keys. There's no need to pay any transactions. You don't have to pay any transaction fees or provide your private keys. So when bank want to offer your service, you gotta pay some services, like you gotta pay some, provide them your data and everything to have access to their let's say to their services. Okay, some might be like, why, or let's say, why does Web3 actually need cryptocurrency? Of course, Web3 needs cryptocurrency because Web3 relies on blockchain network, and also blockchain relies on cryptocurrency to validate the operations. And also cryptocurrency needs crypto wallet to store cents from and also transaction with. So crypto wallets are likely, like, let's say, your passport to Web3. So crypto is also needed in Web3 payments. So Web3 payment is coming out from, let's say, viable options from businesses in their effort to offer safer, smarter, and also, let's say, simpler payment option to their customers. Okay, so here is why you should actually um, choose Fuse network, as it's known as a Web3 payment. Web3 is very, very important. So it's actually the future of payments. So Web3 is future of payments. So it's better now to join Fuse network and use one of its service to make transaction, make payments. It's a Web3 payment. So Web3 payments are technology authorized money to be exchanged without entailing centralized intermediary companies. In line with let's say the ideas of privacy and the decriminalization. Okay, so here is um the products Fuse actually offers. Fuse offers a lot of products and also has hundreds of apps and services. So let's take a look at some of them. First, we have the one it provides for users. So financial products and services. Fuse provide financial products and services for users. So here is what the Fuse wallet lets users it gives users access to store and use digital assets in a non custodial wallet. So GitHub and running using white label templates, or let's say integrate Fuse SDK to your existing mobile product. So you can actually use white label template or integrate Fuse SDK to your existing mobile product. So here are the products, which is the mobile wallet, the apps, marketplace, swap and trading, the swap and trading interface, the P2P payments, that's peer-to-peer payments, the B2B payments, and also B2B payments, and also the youth loyalty. Okay, so here are the products Fuse actually provides for users, the financial products and services. That's what Fuse provides for users. So moving on to the next one we have here, we have for the operators. So for the operators in Fuse, so uh, Fuse provides non-custodial network. So for operators, they will have full access. They will have full understanding on what I'm actually explaining right here. Okay, so you can the operators, they can integrate completely payment functionalities directly into their apps. As an operator, you can integrate complete payment functionalities directly into your apps with the charge SDKs, or let's say access charge products through easy to use APIs. Okay, so you can integrate complete payment functionalities. Okay, so that's for the operators, unlike the users as well. So financial products and services are provided for the users, and for the operators they are non-custodial middleware. So they are for the operators, they will actually understand this better. So these are this thing, which is the startup, the products. This is the startups, the payment processors, the e-money providers, the Web3 startups, the retailers, the local economies, and the credits cycles. Okay, that's for operators. Now let's move to the network participants. So for the network participants, you will have high throughput public blockchain. Fuse provides high throughput blockchain, public blockchain. For that's for the network participants. Okay, it's a decentralized ENV compatible public blockchain that powers the Fuse ecosystem itself of dApps and also services with its native token Fuse, FUSE. Yeah, the native token of Fuse network is the FUSE, so which is this the EVM compatible public blockchain that powers it, the Fuse ecosystem of dApps and also services with its uh, native token, which is known as FUS. So here are the products, which is the validators, the power val power validators, node and the node and service, the cloud providers on or off ramps, and Web3 protocols. Okay, so that's for the services Fuse provides. So Fuse provides three services. One is for the users, the second is for the operators, and the third is for the network of participants. So here are the stores. Here are the products Fuse actually provide three products for three different people. So if you want to know more about how Fuse works and how it's the best Web3 payments project you could actually come into, so you can just check into uh, our uh, our let's say here is our our social medias where you can actually check every single thing about Fuse network. So the Fuse network, I'll drop the link below, which in this video description I'll drop the link below, which everyone could check and know more about Fuse. And you can also check our YouTube channel, the GitHub, the Twitter, Telegram. You can come into our Telegram channel, our Discord, and also about the docs of Fuse. So here will be all for today's video. So I hope you have a nice day, and also don't forget to check the link below. Thank you.